You can throw a lot in a dumpster. Couches, desks, wood, old toys, remodeling debris, and so much more. However, we cannot accept flammable, toxic, or hazardous waste. All those materials are banned from landfills nationwide. From there, what isn't allowed in a dumpster can be a bit more complicated as items are restricted by location. For example, maybe your state has banned electronics at the dump. Or perhaps yard waste needs to be separate. So we can't have you mix tree branches with other waste in the dumpster. We'll go over any restrictions with you when you reach out. That way you'll know exactly what can and cannot go in the dumpster. Dumpsters.com. Clear the way for what's next.